Alright, now for the dishwasher side, we have this sink attachment, and then from the bottom, we have the plate, followed by the screws.
Graduation picture?
Okay.
So, anybody get 100? You're the highest. Oh. I'll take a Milwaukee Pro Press set.
Hard part. What I snapped into place was that ring right there that holds this on so you can tighten it. Full compression. Okay, it's starting to get tight. With putty on the other side. Maybe some nails that nice on the trimmer. Jamie Nicole collagen, baby. I hate this part. I need this right here to face this way. Check the gasket first before I put it on. Nice and colored. Okay, alright, I'm gonna crack it. Okay, this model you can hold in place and just turn the bracket.